Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from TCL 406 to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both to download free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then, in order to set it up, tap on the same options on both smartphones. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree, I acknowledge, confirm, continue, allow. In this pop-up though about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. Then to close it, hit OK. And tap on Close in white pop-up at the top. Now to get rid of personalization pop-up, hit History at the bottom of both devices and click on wherever you want to decide if you wish to personalize your ad experience. Wherever you decided, select Close this window at the bottom. Then click on Receive next to History at the bottom of an Android and Send at the bottom left corner of TCL. Also on TCL, use all of those categories available at the top to select all of your files that you wish to send. In some of those categories, you need to choose Allow again. Finally, when you finish, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom and choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now you need to decide which connection way is better for you. In order to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon next to Input key on an Android. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your Android's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input key section instead and type in all of those numbers in correct order. Finally, to connect, tap on Receive button. Sorry, a typo. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!